Mubalik ra siya kung naay kailangan sa imuha. Naranasan mo na ba yung ganun? Yung feeling na some people want you in their life as a backup plan. Yung kapag it's convenient for them, when it's comfortable for them, saka lang sila bumabalik sa'yo. Pero kapag sila sa ilang moments, ilang life nga lahat okay, yung sobrang saya nila, hindi ka nila maaalala. Yung feeling na saka ka nilang maaalala kung kailangan ka nila. And if naaka sa moment po sa imong life na very down ka, hindi yan sila papasok. Saka lang sila papasok when the timing is right. Kapag sobrang saya mo, tas kailangan ka nila, saka yan sila mag-move forward. Now when the situation suit them, saka lang din sila papasok. Saka lang din sila mag-care sa'yo na kunwari nag-care talaga. Saka lang din sila magpapakita sa'yo ng sobrang daming motibo na talagang willing sila na mahalin ka. In this kind of relationship, of course, it is draining. Sobra. Because hindi mo naman hinihingi yung ganitong kind of relationship. What you want is a genuine one. Yung pagmamahala na hindi mo kailangang pilitin na ibigay sa'yo yung mga bagay nito dahil kusa nilang binibigay, kusa nilang pinaparamdam at ang ending nilang pinapakita yung pagmamahal at suporta nila sa'yo. Pero lisod lang yun po kaayo for some people na nararanasan yung ganun, yung sakalang lalapit kapag may kailangan or sakalang magpaparamdam when it's convenient for them, yung feeling na ikaw mismo si imong kaugalingon maglisod ka og tuo if tinud-anay na bagyo ang ilang kinapakita sa imuha or basin nalanggit sila kailangan sa imuha. Lisod kayo nang makafeel bitaw ka nga naalang sila during easy times. Nakanang if okay lang yun ang panahon, if okay ang imuhang situation in life, saka lang sila pumapasok, saka lang sila nagpaparamdam. Pero if naka sa bottom level of your life, hindi yan magpaparamdam, hindi yan magpapakita. Pero kapag kailangan ka nila, tiyak, magpapakita at magpaparamdam yun sila. Mahirap yung ganun, no? Because they will leave you feeling unimportant, no? Kaya bitaw feeling gusto naman taog someone who will be grateful for our presence, someone who will be grateful for the moments that we've shared with them. Pero yung mahirap is that may mga tao pala talagang gagamitin lang tayo hanggang sa maubos tayo. Tsaka kapag naubos tayo, saka lang din tayo iiwan. Yan lang yung mahirap talaga. But you know what? If you're in this kind of situation, I know that it's not easy for you to let go. But in the long run, you actually deserve people who are genuinely there for you, not just when it's comfortable for them. You deserve someone na ipapakita sa iyo araw-araw kung gaano ka ka-espesyal at kung gaano kanya kamahal. Because you are not just a backup plan. You're not just an option. You're the only choice. This is Sugar Dolly, ang inyong hugot babe, right here sa Wild FM 103.1, Iligan's #1 and multi-awarded radio station, and this is the program Emotions Going Wild.